What's up, guys? Aaron Productions here, and today I want to show you guys how I shop on eBay. So many of you may know I also have an eBay account, but some things that you may want to look for when getting fire alarms from sellers is you want to look at that seller. So let's just type in, oops, for some reason it does not like to type when I have it recording screen. I'm using my Mac to record it. I understand that iOS 11 has recording on it, but oh well. So let's just go to this listing. Let's look at this guy. So, as we can see here, he has all positive feedback, but you also want to look at what else he has for sale. So, see, he has fire alarms, and you also want to see how many transactions. As you can see, this guy has 277, so that's good. Now, another thing you want to look for is the condition. And if you're looking for a budget, a lot of these seem to be like smoke detectors and stuff. So let's say we're looking for a BG12L. So if we look at this one, we can see that it's used. Looks to be an older one because it says notify your fire systems on it. But yeah, so there's 22 bucks for that price. We also want to make sure that it says it's working. No keys, so if you're looking for no keys, then obviously don't buy that. But you could also buy a key for a few bucks. So if you're looking for a BG12L, then you would look through this and you'd see like the ADT one is new in box and the one on the end is new in box, and those are all 40 bucks. Now if you care about price, and you'd obviously want to go with the used one, but if you cared about looks and how it's going to look when you get it, that's a different story. So there's all the new ones. I also would never buy from a seller that does not have real pictures like this. As you can see, that's a stock image, and surveillance. I believe I have bought from this person before. He does have a lot of followers, but as you can see, negative feedback. You should be able, if you cannot scroll down the page without seeing negative feedback on there, then you should definitely not buy from that seller. But it's obvious that they do care about their customers. But I mean, just know that you're always taking chances on eBay. So, yeah. In case you guys are wondering what I'm selling, I'll just tell you real quick. There's everything. NS, Disco Ball. Still selling a couple more of those other things. That's all my dad's stuff. So, let's see. Like, this is way too expensive for a panel. Let's go to... let's see if we can find any rare fire alarms. Okay. Or vintage. Like, see, don't get scammed. Like, obviously the 9838 isn't that rare. The 9806 maybe a little bit. Definitely the Edwards one. Faraday horn maybe, possibly. Some of these are rare, especially the LNG one. It's not rare for the silver pole station. That's just a weird color scheme. You could really just paint it silver if you wanted to. 34 bucks for that pole station. I actually bought one of those, and they didn't have they didn't, oh my god, sorry. They sent me the wrong thing. 30 bucks for that pole station, the simplex one. That's good. First of all, tool, yeah, just a module, way too much. Obviously, nobody's going to buy from the coming soon picture. bells. Yeah, there's not very many things here. Oh, that's cool, the naughty. Now, at this point, I'm just looking. So, another thing that you would probably want to use is looking up for fire alarm lots. So, in case you're wondering, by the way, I'm using the microphone on my camera. Wow, look at this. 4 pull stations for 20 bucks starting bid. These are addressable, but do they have the modules? Oh, yeah. Okay. So those do look like good ones. Mailman's here. What else do we have here? Let me find a ridiculous one. Well, 480 bucks for all those spectral alerts, kind of crazy. Maybe 100 or 200 for that whole lot wouldn't be as crazy. I would not recommend buying anything simplex, especially True Alerts, because that's how you find a problem. But, yeah. Another thing you could do is search by buying format. So if you look for fire alarm lot or fire alarms, you'll usually find the cheapest stuff here. That's a rare pull station, right? Hold on. Right, oh god. Right here. This one with the RSS's. Well, that's nice. It comes with the back box. I'm not trying to, like, advertise anybody, but another lot with that. You could also choose by pricing. Oops, I just selected a different thing. Lowest price plus shipping. So, $8 and 65. Oh my god, $6.56 shipping. That's pretty good. I'm not sure if that's amber or is that. Yeah, that's an amber strobe. That's nice. Wow, 24 for a lot of those Gentex ones. So, yeah. More lots. See, here's another example of looks. Like the logo is all messed up. Another thing is when looking for old fire alarms, make sure it says tested, especially if we're talking about like old simplex stuff, because the capacitors will die at some point. So that's a good thing to know. So another thing, let's look at where is it? My eBay thing here. So as you can see, we have all positive feedback, which is nice. And then as you can see, we could go by months over here. You can see the items for sale. I don't have any collections of items. Oh yeah, I'm still selling those cables. So yeah, 100% feedback. We have 620 transactions. So that's nice. That's my dad's stuff. Okay, well, there's also good deals you can find on other things, but this is just talking about fire alarms and fire alarm related stuff. If we're also looking for panels, could have said fire alarm panels, but oops. As we can see, new and used, those are different things. So it really just based off of what kind of price you're looking for and what kind of panel you're looking for. Like a voice evac panel, that's probably considered a good price since it's new. But yeah, that's going to conclude this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And one more thing, my computer. We are also almost at 300 subs. So, once we do that, I'm probably going to do something special. So, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Baby, I know you better.